It's Vlogmas Day 11. And today, guys, we're gonna be doing a lot of things with this Vlogmas. We're gonna go, I think, to Walgreens. We're gonna go for a walk. Yes, we're exercising. That's one thing we gotta do for helping our skin, helping us be having our self-care day. Oh, what's your name? Self-care day. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna go to Old Navy and what else? Walgreens, walking, Old Navy, and then that's it. So, Starbucks. I almost forgot. We gotta go to Starbucks. Oh, my eyebrows look mid. There we go. So we're gonna go do all those things real quick because today is self-care day. I want to make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you're gonna like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a video. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and as you can see the whole fit. I'm wearing my boots, then some leggings. I'm wearing like a black t-shirt under here, and I'm wearing my sweat jacket. So, cause since I'm going walking, but I want to look fabulous at the same time. So, oh, and also I'm wearing my ring. It's that ring I got before my birthday when I was shopping. And I'm wearing my bracelet. My game bracelet that I showed you guys in my other video. So this is my fit. Ooh, don't break the mirror. Bad look. So here is my fit. So I'm wearing my combat boots, my favorite combat boots, the Fendi ones. I'm wearing my leggings, my Christmas leggings, since it's Christmas spirit right now. I'm wearing my sweat jacket, so when I'm walking, I don't sweat as much. And I'm wearing a black t-shirt. So this is the whole fit. Okay, I'll see you guys back when I'm in the car. Okay, cuties, now we're in Old Navy, and we're shopping. I'm gonna head to the women's to get clothes. I'll see you guys when I'm in the women's section. Right now we're in the car. Right now we're outside Walgreens, and then we'll go to the park. So I'll be right back with you guys once we're at the park. Okay, cuties, right now we're walking. We just came from the parking lot, and now we're walking through the woods. Camera, turns out it was all in my brother's room. So we lost the camera. We learned out that the camera was hidden in my brother's room, which I thought I was already knew. Well, that's how I thought. Where I already knew it was at. Okay, so now we're at the park, and we're gonna be like walking, trying to get exercise. So that's what we're doing for today's Vlogmas. So what I learned today is that I can't always get emotional when something happens, or like try to change the thing what I'm supposed to do, or change what's happening in a situation. But like what? I feel like it's not walking. It's not working. But I feel like it's better because it's still like working, even though I don't feel it. You know, because I don't feel anything, but I feel like it's working. But I know when I hit them steps, they start working right now. I figured this out when I started working on, like, this is part of my self-care routine for like help for exercising, writing, reading, and coloring, and also walking. I'll see you guys back in a minute. What you look at?
That's how teenagers really be.
No, they're not. They usually be like over there sitting in the corner waiting for someone. It's time to go home now. Yeah.
Your mama. Your mama. place is still there. No, I got it. We could do, okay, fine. Example. Example A. Do you want to go to Chick-fil-A?
It's wherever you would like to go, Dora.
Oh God. Oh gosh.
My princess.
Oh my
Whatever the princess
God.
wants, the princess gets.
Yeah.
Isn't that how I always act?
Go ahead, lie. Make this lie. Make this lie.
Name one place that y'all want to eat that I ain't go get. I'll wait.
Multiple times.
Nah, because if you say IHOP, she took us to IHOP.
We don't eat IHOP.
I know, but I
Yes, we did.
Yeah, we did.
We don't
I
eat.
ordered IHOP and have it. DoorDash.
I know, but we don't eat it. Or I don't eat it.
Well, I'm saying, like, if you wanted to go there, she did tell us.
She asked for IHOP and I went and got it.
Since when?
When you wanted pancakes?
Remember when she got that?
Remember?
I didn't ask for IHOP.
Sure you did.
Okay. Well, she said if that one y'all of us, like kids. So,
I said name a place that you asked for that I didn't get. And I ain't did nothing yet. But you said IHOP.
Okay, where do you want to eat? Where do you want to eat? Where do you want to eat?
I asked you where you want to eat, princess.
You don't talk to me like that.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
You want me to say your name on camera? Because that's what I usually like. What would you like to eat, daughter? Inserts name.
yeah.
And then you going to say it on camera? I don't see y'all name on my channel.
KP and Ty will always say my name on our channel.
It's kind of red. It's coming up. Try to drive slow. But y'all catch my vacation car gonna be looking.
Okay. No, okay.
I thought it was when the one's back on.
No, it's gonna be looking like that. Cause she gonna be always talking smack. It's gonna be the bang. The bang. Oh.
Well, that's the video, kids. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like. Hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye, cuties. Happy holidays. I wish you guys the best wishes ever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.